Hi friends, welcome to all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics Course. Last time, if you remember, we had done that how to compare the fractional numbers with each other. How to see that which number is the bigger and which number is smaller. That we have seen in our last session. Today, we are going to do something very important, very interesting. Division by the special number 9. So today's topic says division by 9. Please listen to me very carefully so that you can really understand the process clearly. This division by 9 is being done through the Nikhilam method. Nikhilam method. And earlier you have seen in the Nikhilam method how to find out the complement of any number. And as I told you earlier, that complement of any number is its difference from its nearest base. The base is 10, 100, 1000, like that. So if I ask you what is the complement of 7, then the complement of 7 is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Similarly, the complement of 9 is 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Remember this. While doing division by Nikhilam method, you have to remember this thing very well, that what is the complement of the number by which you are going to divide the number, the divisor. What is the complement of the divisor? So, with that, let me start the division by 9. Let us take an example. For example, suppose we want to divide 21 by 9. The most important thing here in this process is that you need not go through the various steps. You will make the division in straight line, in one line. It's very, very interesting. So if you want to divide 21 by 9, so what is the process? Just follow it very carefully. Number 1, you have to just write down for your convenience. You don't need to, but it's better if you write to understand initially. Its complement is 1, means its difference from 10 is 1. So write down 1 here. Put a line here and bring down the number, the first number of the dividend as it is here, 2. Now, see this process very carefully. Multiply this 2 with this 1, which is always the same number. Multiply 2 with 1, you get 2, and write down this 2 here. Just I am recapitulating it what I have done. First, I have taken the number, the complement of 9 is 1. Then I have brought down the number, first digit as it is here, 2. I multiplied this 2 with this 1, it becomes 2, and I write here. And then this 1 and 2, add this 2, 3. And since this is the last number, put a line here. Now this 2 is your quotient, and 3 is your remainder. Once again, what I have done, I have written 1 here. I have brought down this number 2. If I don't write 1, doesn't matter. We know that it's 1 here. Then I brought down the number 2. 2 into 1, 2. We have written this 2 here. And then add this 1 and 2, 3. This being the last number, this is the remainder. And 2 is the quotient. It's very simple. We are not to divide anything. We are not to remember any multiplication table at all. We have not seen that 9 to 18, all those things are not necessary here. Straight away we have written 2 and 3. And if at all it's required, it's very little, very small. So now let's see another question, another problem. The second problem. Say for example, we have to divide 37 by 9. We have to divide 37 by 9. We want to divide 37 by 9. What I am doing? I am writing 1 here. I am bringing down the number 3 here. And then multiply this 1 with 3. It becomes 3. Write down 3 here. Now here something interesting comes. You will see that 7 plus 3 is 10. The moment the number is 9 or more than that, divide it by 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. How many times 9 goes into it? 1 time. So you write 1 here, put a line here, 10 minus 9, 1 here. So what I have done? I have brought down 3 as it is. 3 into 1, 3, write 3 here. 7 plus 3 is 10. 9 goes 1 time, so I have written 1 here. 10 minus 9 is 1, the remaining 1 is here. And now add this 3 plus 1, it's 4 and the remainder is 1. 4 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Once again, bring down 3 as it is. 3 into 1, 3 here. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 goes 1 time, write a 1 here. And what is the remaining? 10 out of 9 is 1, write 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4 and this is 1. So you have done in a straight line, you have done the division of 37 and you will see when it's a bigger number how convenient it is and how beautifully you can do the division without any problem at all. Now let us do the division of say 437 by 9. As it is, I am not writing 1 now, you remember it. I bring down 4 here. Then after that, there is 4 into 1 is 4. I write 4 here. Now it becomes 3 plus 4, 7. 9 does not go into it. So we just write here 7. And then this 7 into 1 is 7. I write here 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 14 minus 9, 5. Write down 5 here. And so the answer is 48 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Beautiful. 4 down here. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 does not go into it. Just write down 7 here. 7 into 1, 7. Put 7 here. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 time, 9 goes 1 time into it. 14 minus 9, 5. Write 5 here. 4, 7, 4, 8 and 5. 4, 8 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Beautiful. So let me see another bigger number now. Just follow me so that you can really master it. 5, 6, 8, 2 divided by 9. Now we'll see, we'll make the division in one straight line without doing anything at all. 5 here, 5 here, 5 into 1, 5, 6 plus 5, 11. It goes 1 time. What's remaining? 2. Just write down 2 here. 2 into 1, 2. Write down 2 here. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 goes 1 time. And what's remaining? 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 here. 1 into 1, 1 here. So 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 6, 3, 1, 3. The quotient is 6, 3, 1 and 3 is the remainder. 5. 5 into 1, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 9 goes once, 1 here, 2 remaining. 2 into 1, 2. Write down 2 here. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 goes 1 time. What's remaining? 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is the remainder because 9 doesn't go into it. So ultimately 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 and 3. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. So this is a bigger problem which you have done without remembering any multiplication table at all. Just only 1 or 2. That's all. We'll do now another still bigger problem. 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 6, 4. It's a bigger number. 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 6, 4 and you have to write so many steps while dividing this thing. But you'll do it in one line. Bring down 7. 7 into 1, 7. Write down 7 here. 8 plus 7, 15. 9 goes once and remains 6. 6 into 1, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 goes once. What's remaining? 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6 here. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 doesn't go. Write down 8 here. 8 into 1, 8. 8 right here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 goes 1 time. 1 here. What's remaining? 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Write down 0 here. 6 plus 0, only 6, 9 doesn't go, 6 here, and then 6 into 1, 6, 6 here, 6 plus 4, 10, 9 goes once, what's remaining? 10 out of minus 9, 1 here. So the result is 8, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, and 1. So your 876907 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Isn't it beautiful? You have done the whole problem in one straight line without going into the various steps involved in it, right? That's a beautiful thing, a beautiful way of doing division through the Nikhilam method in Vedic mathematics. Now I'll do the last question. The last question is 632 15 48 9 6 brought down, 6 into 1 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 time 9 goes into it, remains what? 0, 0 into 1 0, 2 plus 0 2, 9 does not go into it, 2 into 1 2, 2 here, 2 plus 1 3, 9 does not go into it, 3 here, 3 into 1 3, write down 3 here, 5 plus 3 8, 9 does not go into it, write down 8 here, 8 into 1 8, 8 write down 8 here, 4 plus 8 12, 9 goes once into it, and what remains? 3. 12 minus 9 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, write down 3 here, 8 plus 3 11, 9 goes once into it, and 11 minus 9 is 2, so here is 2. The result is 7 0 2 3 9 4 2. So what is the quotient? 7 0 2 3 9 4, and remainder is 2. I hope now you have followed how to do it. What is the way by which we can do the division of dividing any number through the Nikhilam method, right? So understand it, it's a beautiful way of doing. I'll give you certain examples, exercises, so that you can practice it yourself. Do practice it yourself continuously so that you can really understand and master this process of doing the division of 9, division by 9. So the questions are, which I want to give you, is that divide 17 by 9, divide 56 by 9, divide 72 divided by 9, right? After that 273 divided by 9, 463 divided by 9, 578 divided by 9, and little more, 4 5 6 7 divided by 9, 8 3 2 1 5 4 divided by 9, and the last problem, 7 3 2 8 5 6 8 9 divided by 9. You should practice these problems, do it yourself. I've already told you the method by which it can be done, and if you take a little patience and try to understand it, once you follow it, then it will become very easy for you to solve the problems easily, and you can do it very nicely, and you will become competent enough to do the division by 9, so that in future, in your next program, in your advanced program, you will be able to do even better way of doing the divisions by some other methods, where we'll take not only 9, but we'll divide numbers by 2 digits or 3 digits like that. But first you have to understand this very carefully and become competent and proficient in it. So what we have done today, we have seen how to divide any number by 9 in a straight line without going into the various steps involved in it. If you have got any question, please don't hesitate to write to me in the comments box. I'll be very happy to answer to your problems and your questions. Next time, I'm going to come out with another division by another number, which is 8, which is a little different from this 9. So we'll divide any number with 8 again in straight line without going into the details. So today, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and please share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. So till the time I meet you again, all the best. Please take care of yourself.